Yeah. What's good, guys? It's your boy Ant on the go. You already know, I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. I hope everybody's great today. Well, today is a great day, you know what I'm saying? But before I jump into anything, yo, shout out to all my subscribers. Shout out to all my people that always, watching and tuning in and everything like that. Make sure you tune in. Yeah, guys. So, you already know, I got a brand new Pokemon game, and it is Pokemon ZA Legends. You know what I'm saying? Pokemon Legends ZA. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I had to get this game. It's been a while since a new Pokemon game came out. You know what I'm saying? And on top of it all, it's been a while since, we had like a mega since the megas and stuff like that. So we're gonna jump right into it. And this is the bag that I got. This is a dope bag. Shout out to Nintendo, Nintendo New York. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nintendo. And, I was trying to get it from Best Buy and GameStop, but I didn't pre-order the game. So they wasn't giving no gifts or anything like that. If for the people that just, if you go into the store in GameStop and you didn't pre-order, you was not getting anything. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just go to Nintendo. So this is what these are the stuff that Nintendo gave you with. This is the stuff that they give you. So first, they give you, let's start it up. First they give you these. They give you like a card right here, right? They give you this. This is the Luminous City. This is the whole Luminous City and the stuff that you can do. You got Houndoom right there. You got all the Pokemon just chilling in the city. This is a huge city. Wow, this is a real huge city. Pretty dope. Then they give you this. Pokemon Legends ZA. So they give you, it receives some helpful items to start the journey. You get one rare candy, full heal. This is dope. Really dope. Then I got another one. You only were able to get one, but had to get another one. Then you got this. Ooh, this is fire. Guys. You got Pokemon Legends ZA sticker. You got Chikorita, Tepig, Totodile, and Zygarde. Is it Zygarde? Yeah, Zygarde. And this Pokemon right here. You got that on the bottom. Then you look up the top. Then Mega Evolution Rush. You got Ampharos, Mega Charizard, X and Y. Then you got Gardevoir, and then you got Lucario. This is a fire stick. I'm going to put this for collection, you know what I'm saying? This is great. This is amazing, Pretty amazing. Let me know what you think about that. Then, not only that, I got this. Now I got some type of map or something. I don't know, not map, but poster, I should say. Yeah, poster. Oh, look at the poster. This is dope. You got Totodile. You got all of them. Wow. And then you turn it over, and it got this. Pretty fire. Pretty fire. The details is amazing. You can't go wrong. Then, boom. Then you got the game. Pretty fire. Pokemon Legends ZA. Yeah, it's an amazing game, You guys definitely, shoot, the art of it is amazing, Let's test it out and see how it plays, but yeah, pretty amazing. It's so crazy because we went from all the way from this. You know what I'm saying? This is the beginning times, you know what I'm saying? Pokemon Yellow, the beginning times. Then we continued with the Mega. Then you had X and Y Mega, you know what I'm saying? And these are my first copies of the game. You could tell by the 000 right here. This is how you know if it's a first print. So I had these games for the very first time, like the very beginning when these came out. But yeah, you know, we went from yellow to X and Y to now a continuation of this, ZA. So everything is gonna take place in Luminous City. But yeah, let's see. Let's open it. Let's see what's up with this. Let's see what's up with this right now. We're gonna open this. We're gonna do it. Let's see why, you know. And let me know which did you get for did you get it for the Switch 2 or did you get it for Switch 1? Me, as you can see, only for Switch 1. You know, only for Switch 1. Let's see. Yeah. Pretty. Yo, this wrap piece. Yo, the wrap is so annoying. All right, open it up. Bang. What's this? Some online thing? What is that? Okay, this is Luminous City. This is dope. This is real dope. Real dope. The cart, you know, nothing special. But what is this? Oh, it give you like a little booklet. Oh, okay. And then this Nintendo Switch online shop. Oh, dope. Wow, look at that. It shows the event. It shows the Pokemon trading card and Pokemon Red Rescue Team. That's fire. Oh, this is like a little manual. Wow. Okay. That's cool. Oh, what's that? What's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, now they doing it now. Nah. Oh, snap. What's this? Oh, snap. What? Okay. This is dope. I thought it was like some code thing. Yo, this is dope. This is dope. Wow. That's fire. Okay, ZA. Okay, Switch. I like that. I like that. They give you different things and stuff like that. But now, there you have it. The unboxing of the ZA. We're going to cut it on and see how it plays real quick. And then I'll be doing walkthrough and gameplay of the game. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Yeah, guys. So let's start it up. 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 Let's see. Start it up, man. Oh. Start it up right now. Let's start it up. Okay. You can pick a character. All right. This is dope. Pretty dope. Pick your character. All right. Here's the start. Let's see if they give us like some big grand opening or something. All right. Let's see what's going on. Oh. Okay. All right, this is fire. All right. Oh, snap. Oh, ZA. Here we are. Here he is. Here it is. Here it is. Mega Evolution. Oh. Uh-oh. Mega Evolution. Okay. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. The graphics is amazing. You know what I'm saying? You guys let me know on the graphics what you think about it. Okay. This is tough. Alright, guys. So, what's in the bag? Oh, what's in the bag? What's in the bag? So, there we have it, guys. Make sure you get the game. Your train has arrived in Lumina City. Fire. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Fire. Yeah. Definitely gotta get it. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is Lumina City. The graphics is amazing. You got the train right there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. let me know. And yeah, the graphics is, the graphics so amazing. Like, it's pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe on the big screen will look even crazy. More crazy. But look at the graphics. Look at that. Look at that. Really dope. Really dope. Oh, that's fire. I forgot the name of that one. But yeah. What's this name? What's the name of it? Oh, fire. I'm ready for some Pokemon battle. I'm weak. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.